All right, guys, I don't know about you, but I run a ton of stuff from my laptop, so having ports, switches, and so much more is super important. So this is a 7-port HDMI switch. Now, I am super pumped about getting into this. We got the whole unit right here. We have a couple pieces there. Boom, and bam. So definitely check this out. On the inside, you got details about the product and the 7x1 HDMI switch right here. A couple things. You have the HDMI switch for the remote, which I love that. Give me a remote so I can make that happen. You do need batteries for it, so make sure you are prepped and ready. You have your audio cable right there. Make sure you have it. You have USB-C plug. You have one HDMI cord ready to go. You have your USB-C to USB cord. And then last but not least, you got batteries. They actually gave you batteries, so you can pop on that. Now, what you're wanting to see is the star of the show, which is going to be your 7x1 switch for HDMI. So let's go ahead and check this out. What this means is you can run a ton of different games, ton of different things into this bad boy. So what you're able to do, if you got games and setup, you can do everything you need to. So you have your IR exit, so you can run audio, you have your power, 7 ports, and then all the input lights are going to be lit up when you are running them to it. Man, this thing is super sweet, very nice, properly weighted. And I like that it comes in a small setup. So here we go. We're going to run power into it by this USB plug directly into the wall. And then we're going to run to the side, which is going to be on the back. So DC at 5 bolts right here. Then you're going to run your HDMI cable. You have 1 out, 7 ends on it. And then you also have your, audio cable there as well. So IR exit. Man, this thing is super sweet. On and off button. Couldn't get any easier to use. You know what you're looking at. If you're watching my video, you just want to see how nice of a product this is. Super slim line, very easy. Very sweet product, and I can't wait to get it used in our living room because that's what we got, a whole bunch of games set up ready to play. Check it out.